Apply a thin layer on proper area. Allow at least 1 hour to repeat more layer. Oh, so just put one layer first. Okay. And then wait for an hour. Get the little parts. Bottom. Wow. It's starting to look really cool. I'm gonna get all this black part. You see this one's colored black too. I'll make this a black boost. This is looking cool. Looking badass. There it is. Let's go all the way. This is actually pretty fun. Let's look at it so far. Wow. Damn. I always wanted like all black Ultraboost. Yes. Mr. Partner. So I was looking on Amazon and they said to get this smart pen on a YouTube video. So that's what got me to decide to get this one. I'm missing it. Oh. Ooh. I should get those bubbles. Should I get the bubble? Make that black too. Say bye-bye to that. Make this whole thing black. Should I just keep that? I'm gonna keep it for now. Let's go to the other side. And maybe yeah, but we just do like one side black. Like right down the middle. Like how would that look if we just kept that? You see like a line and another color white. Black boost with the rainbow. It says after an hour, go back to the other side. How about we do that for now? Oh. Damn, that looks gangs. Okay, let's get the other side. It's gonna be like a one side. Maybe I could color that heel cup black. Or just go paint it white. Okay, now the other boost. So this is how it looked like before and after. You look at that. Change this to filter, take that filter out. Or I could say save highlight.